Video I'm going to teach you how you can remove CapCut watermark at the end of the video. So let's see, I am on my CapCut app on my mobile, and let's open one of the edited videos that I have in my mobile. And if I play, let's say like this video, if you like the video, then you can see here is the CapCut watermark at the end of my video. So to delete, all I have to do is tap on the watermark section or watermark part of the video, then just delete option, delete. So done. If I play now, so there is no watermark at the end of the video. So this is how you delete or remove CapCut watermark in the end of the video. So after you do this, you can export